Hey gang, welcome to day one of the Advent. So if you haven't already, go and watch the video called Unboxing My Honeywell Bakes Advent, and that will basically be showing you what to expect in terms of the Advent, and also so you know what it actually is. So I got this baking Advent and we are going to be doing day one. So day one is Christmas pudding gingerbread. So what do we need? So this recipe makes 4 gingerbread cookies which look like Christmas pudding, and it takes an hour and a half to make, supposedly. I think that includes baking time. It seems like quite a long time, but you know, we'll go with it. So preheat the oven to 160 fan and line a baking tray. We will do that in a minute. I'm going to run through what ingredients we have and what we need. Right, so in here we have soft dark brown sugar, self-raising flour, ginger and mixed spice. We just need to add 20 grams of soft salted butter. However, I don't know if this will make a difference, but I'm going to use Perfect for Cakes just because I don't have any butter. So, and I'm not going out to buy a whole block for 20 grams. And we also need milk, which is 2 teaspoons, so absolutely nothing. And then we have our decorations, which is white chocolate for the pudding like sauce, and then we have holly as well to go on there. So yeah, this is day one. We are going to start by lining our tray, and then you just mix together your ingredients basically, and then divide it into 4 balls. I don't know why it says it's going to take an hour and a half, but maybe that's like total, you know, if you're dilly-dallying, but I'm pretty quick, so I think we should be Gucci. Doesn't say to like set them or anything. Literally can just shove them in the oven straight away. So let's get started. Did end up popping to Tesco's to get salted butter because I was going to use the Perfect for Cakes, but then when I googled it, it said not to use it because it will make your cookie spread too much. So make sure you do get your salted butter as noted in the recipe. Right gang, I've done day one. They're not the best looking thing. I think I'll stick to cakes opposed to gingerbread. In my defense, the white chocolate chips came in a bag like this. It said to put it in boiling water so that it would melt. I don't know about the other bakers, but that has never worked. I have never melted chocolate without using a microwave. Obviously you can do it in a bain-marie on a hob, but just boiling water isn't going to do it. So I left it in there, nothing happened. It slightly melted and then I had to spread it. So I'll put the image in the corner of what it's meant to look like and then what mine did look like. But I had to spread it using a palette knife because it just would not. So we're going to do a little taste test now that they've cooled. They smell gingerbready, that's the main thing. And I want to get the white chocolate in there because I don't know how good the actual biscuit's going to taste. You know what, they're actually pretty damn good. Yeah. Lovely jubbly. Right. That is day one complete. I can't remember what tomorrow's is, but tune into that video and then you'll get to see what tomorrow's is. But that is day one all done. So I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if you've got the calendar, and let me know what your thoughts are. Bye guys!